Hello everyone, this is Preeti. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, either you are a fresher just joined a company or you have an experience of 10, 12, 20 years, you all must be familiar with Git. Everybody is talking about GitHub nowadays. If you are going for an interview, they will definitely check your projects on GitHub. So, if you have an account in GitHub, then it's fine. Otherwise, you can sign up here and you can enter your username, email, password. Well, it's very simple and easy. Well, after signing up, you can just create your own repository. You can create new repositories where you can save your projects, save your work. Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about a special feature that GitHub has introduced recently. Moreover, in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can create this custom personal info readme page within a minute. So please watch this video till end. So now without wasting our time, let's begin with the actual stuff. Well, before this custom GitHub profile readme, my GitHub profile looks like this. There are some pinned and then my contributions, everything. Well, with the help of this new feature, you can introduce a new introductory readme profile above this pinned. So let's see how we can do this. For this, you have to create a new repo, and for creating a new repo, you have to click new. And just remember one thing, you have to create a new repo with the same GitHub name you are using. Like here, I'm using Preeti Sondi Kapoor. So here is a secret. I have found a secret and you too. So it's a special repo that you can use to add readme to your GitHub profile. And you have to make it public. Okay, initialize it with may readme. After checking this, initialize this repository with readme, you have to do create repository. So here you have created the secret. Now you can edit it as well. So when you click on this add it and you will get all these options. Now here you can write down anything you want. So it is just a simple HTML. Actually I can say content. If you are familiar with HTML CSS, you can create it by your own. So after doing editing, you can remove this because this is for comment. Okay, and when you remove this, you have to commit changes. Fine, after committing changes, it will be appearing on your screen. Now let's check our profile page. Go to your profile and you can see this. Fine, so it comes above the pinned. I want to show you guys somebody's this GitHub readme profile. Look at this, how beautiful it is. So let's create our. So I will also tell you a trick how you can do this with just within a minute actually. So here I have created my own readme profile. It's very simple. If you are familiar with basics of HTML CSS, it's quite easy, nothing fancy here. Here I am just using this image tag, and within the image tag I have provided a source and the width of the image I want. Then I have done embedding, and in embedding I have written in bold. Then after that there is a paragraph tag. Everything is quite simple if you are familiar with HTML CSS, quite easy actually. So now let's commit changes. After committing changes, let's go to our profile. So here we are. Here is my profile. So here I have linked my YouTube channel, then my mail ID, some fancy contents, then Gmail. I have done this LinkedIn. When you click here, you will go to the LinkedIn. It's just simple HTML. Now here comes the trick I'm going to tell you about. Now if you are not familiar with HTML and you want this kind of page, then you just have to go to the page you want to copy, and after going to that page, you can click here at this point. Fine, at the page you have to go to readme. After here you can see the raw, and from here you can copy the content. After copying it, you have to paste it here in your readme. Fine. So here I have pasted it. Then you have to do commit changes. and here it is. Okay, you got it, everything. So it's very simple trick, it's very simple. Guys, just try it out. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you.